Tradesyncer review: how to use Tradesyncer. Now, this cloud-based trade copy analytics platform, which is designed for futures trader, especially those using prop firms or managing multiple broker accounts. It enables you to define a lead account and replicate its trades into real time to follower account and across platforms like NinjaTrader, TradingView, Rhythmic, Tradeovate, DXFeed, and Volumetrica. So the system supports flexible sizings using ratios or cross order types and handles different contract sizes and provides real-time analytics, an economic calendar, and multi-device access, all entirely cloud-based. With the pros of being cross-platform, real-time precision, flexible sizing, cloud-based reliability, which is mostly mentioned already, and ideal for scaling. But for its cost, it can range for 949 and around 149 a month. There's a learning curve, initial setup, especially for beginners. It requires attention and limited journaling feedback from some users. But for the main thing on how to use TradeSyncer is to, of course, get started. You can sign up over here in the top right. You can either press on the get started button or the login. It should lead you directly to where you need to be, but you're gonna have to log in first. Before signing in, you're gonna be met with a few terms and conditions, so go ahead and read them if you want to. And if you agree with them, just go ahead and press on the checkbox and press on register. Once you've signed up, you can finally start with this TradeSync features. You can connect accounts, so link your lead and follow broker accounts via secure API accounts. You can look at your dashboard over here. You can subscribe to their subscriptions directly in their main screen. Over here on the left, you can see your accounts with TradeSync. So again, you can go ahead and link them. You can define your lead accounts and configure your copy settings over here. You can see your alls, your leads, and the equity monitors. If you want more information, you can go ahead to their help center for the user guide, the API documents, and the support. And finally, in the top right corner, you have your profile over here where you can see your API keys, your webhooks, the account usage, billings for subscriptions, and more settings where you mainly go ahead and set up most of your profile and then a simple log out button. But mostly works here in your dashboard and its main features where you can go ahead and begin your trading. You can customize your cockpit and alerts. You tailor your dashboard and opt it into alerts to track open and close trades, errors, or performance metrics. If you want more information about it, there is a dashboard guide that should help you directly create your accounts to the dashboards. Then you can execute the trades in your lead account with TradeSyncer that mirrors them instantly across all follower accounts in real time. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.